In this video, we'll learn how to solve this absolute value equation and how to write up our work. Solving the equation means finding real number values which, when substituted into the equation, give us a true statement. Before we get started, let's first review the definition of absolute value. Let's read the definition together. Suppose x is a real number. Then absolute value of x is defined to be the distance of the number x from the point 0 on the number line. So applying the definition to our equation, we see that we need to find real numbers x such that this quantity 3x minus 7 is at a distance of 14 from 0 on the number line. So this implies that 3x minus 7 must be either negative 14 or it must be 14 itself. Here's the visual model that expresses our ideas. Real numbers for which the expression 3x minus 7 equals negative 14 will satisfy the given absolute value equation. And similarly, real numbers for which the expression 3x minus 7 equals 14 will also satisfy the given absolute value equation. In other words, the task of finding the solutions to the given absolute value equation reduces to the task of solving two linear equations, 3x minus 7 equals negative 14 and the equation 3x minus 7 equals 14. This discussion gives us the opening sentence to our answer, which is as follows. Pause the video now and solve each linear equation. Okay, here's what you should have gotten when you solved each linear equation. Pause the video and check your answers. Your work should end with a conclusion that's written in a way that it's clear to the reader you've answered the question. Recall that we said that the solution to each linear equation will be a solution to the absolute value equation. So either of these sentences is a good way to end the problem. Be sure to do check work by putting each number you claim as solution back into the equation and making sure that each number indeed satisfies the equation. I'll leave the check work to you as an easy follow-up exercise. Even though we discussed a specific absolute value equation, you can apply this strategy to any absolute value equation of the following form. Absolute value of ax plus b equals c, where a, b, c are any real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Here are the three different scenarios. If c is negative, then there are no solutions since absolute value of ax plus b for any value of x can never be negative. If c is equal to 0, then since 0 is the only number whose distance from 0 is 0, we would get exactly one solution by solving the linear equation ax plus b equals 0. When c is positive, as was the case with the example we discussed in this video, the task of solving the absolute value of equation turns into the task of solving two linear equations. We may then proceed in these three easy steps. So step 1 would be to write an opening sentence to lead the reader into the work you will do. Step 2 would be to solve each linear equation carefully. Step 3 would be to write a conclusion in a way that you address the original question. A concluding sentence for this scenario may be, the solutions are, etc., etc. Or, the solution set is, etc., etc. Okay, that's it for now. See you soon in another video. Thank you.